K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. P. W.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a
X.
feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle,
Y.
keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step,
Z.
and with the girls be
Let's paint.
handy.
Red color. A. Green color.
Father and I went
B.
down to camp
Orange
along with
color.
Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as
C.
tasty
Pink
pudding.
color.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and
D.
with the girls
Yellow
be
color.
handy.
E. Sky blue color. F. Blue color.
And there was Captain Washington and
G.
gentle folks
Red
about
color.
him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride
H.
me now.
Green color.
Step, and with the girls be
I.
handy.
Orange color. J. Pink color. K. Yellow color. L. Sky blue color.
And there was Captain Washington
M.
and gentle folks
Blue
about
color.
him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he
N.
will not ride without
Red color.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
O.
Mind the music
Green
and
color.
the step, and with the girls be handy.
P. Orange color. Q. Pink color. R. Yellow color. S. Sky blue color. T. Blue color.
Yankee Doodle went to
U.
town riding
Red
on a
color.
pony. Stuck a feather
P.
in his hat and
Green
called it
color.
macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
W.
Yankee Doodle
Orange
dandy.
color.
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be
X.
handy.
Pink color. Y. Yellow color.